Welcome to Code with BK. So in this video, I'm going to solve question 8 of ICSE 2018 Computer Applications paper. So it's a theory paper, so you will have to write the answers on a paper sheet. So I'm trying to, excuse me, I'll try to do the same by typing it on a text editor. Okay, the program says write a menu-driven program to display the pattern as per the user's choice. Okay, pattern 1 and pattern 2, and for incorrect option appropriate message should be displayed. The question is pretty clear. Okay, and these patterns are similar to the star patterns that you practice. So if you want more detailed explanation on the star patterns, I've added a lot of videos describing those star patterns. Okay, so I will start. So I will have to read an input from the user. So I'll start with importing .util.scanner. Okay, and when you are writing a program on a piece of paper, make sure that you give ample spaces between comments and the code, because you may want to come back later and add a few small things here and there. So you don't want to make your code look messy, because presentation in a class 10th boards paper is very important. The main, the class. Okay, method. So public static void main string here gs. Okay, first of all I need scanner to read from the user. Scanner is equals to new scanner system. So you'll have to read a value, some integer value from the user for pattern 1 or 2, or some other integer value if the and so for that you'll have to display the message. So you can use buffer reader or data input stream, whatever you want. So I'm using scanner here. So show the two options first. So system dot out dot println, one is print pattern 1, and similarly the second one is 2 is print pattern 2. Okay, ask the choice system dot print, enter choice 1 or 2. Choice is equals to scanner dot next int. Okay, the choice has been read. Now perform actions based on the choice. Form actions based on choice if choice is equals to 1. So now at this point you can either decide to code this thing, this first pattern here in the main itself, or you can write a separate method for it. And similarly for pattern 2, you can code this pattern 2 in the main itself, or you can write a separate method. I'm going to write a separate method so that the program is a lot clearer. Okay, print pattern 1 else if is equals to print pattern 2 else show message wrong choice system dot println wrong choice. Okay, so now I need to do is print pattern 1. So static void print pattern 1. My name here and my name here has to be exactly same, because this is the method that will be called. It does not have to take any parameters. So the pattern 1 has to be something like this: ABCD for the first line, then ABCD, then ABC, then AB, then A. So what you can do here, so first of all you need to observe is there are 5 lines, and there are 5 characters in the first line, 4 in the second, 3 in the third, 2 in the fourth, and 1 in the last one. Okay, so first, so there have to, so 5 lines, and then I am going to take the string in a separate variable here. Okay, take string is equals to ABCDE. Okay, and then print the pattern for int I is equals to 0, I is less than string dot gth I plus plus. Okay, print string dot length th minus I minus characters on ith line for j is equals to 0, j is less than string dot length minus 1 minus I. Oh, and j plus plus. So it goes to 0 to 4 for the first, then 0 to 3, 0 1 2 3. Okay, and okay, so this is my pattern which is done. Now I need to print pattern 2. So it has to be BLUE. So let me just check if is ABCD1 is correct. For I is equals, for the first line I go to 0 to less than length, and for 1 I go to 0 to less than length minus 1. Okay, for I is equals to 4, 5 minus 4 1, which is 0. Okay, static void print pattern 2. Okay, string blue. Okay, so similarly the way we did ABCDE is the same way we are going to do BLUE. So print this. So for int I less than dot length I plus plus. Zero j is then, or you can take less than equal to I j plus plus. System dot out dot print string dot char I, and then change line dot out dot println. Okay, so my code is done. Close this class, and I believe this is correct. So I'll just quickly give it a recap. So scanner, I did not. So I have not closed the scanner. You can close it. So that's why I always close the scanner whenever I'm working with this scanner. Pattern 1, pattern 2. Enter choice. Choice is one print pattern. Choice to print pattern 2. System dot out dot println on choice. Close the scanner. Scanner. Oh, this has to be in the comment. Print static void print pattern 1. Print pattern 1. So string is equals to abcd, for int is equals to string dot length I plus plus, and j is string dot length minus I j plus plus caret j. Okay, system dot out dot println. Okay, print and do string blue I is equals to 0 less than string dot length, j is less than equal to I, system dot out dot print dot caret of I, and j is line. Okay, so I hope this is correct. So because I'm going to check this in another Java file. Okay, so I'll just go back, Java C CLS. Okay, clear, sorry, cat I CSC 2018 question 8, right? Question 8 dot java, just to make sure this is the file. This is the file we have. Yeah, I'll clear again and I'll compile again just to make sure. Now run this file. I print 1, so I have this, okay. I have 2, I have this, okay. I have 3, I have wrong choice. So my code was correct. So this is the code. So if you people found this video helpful, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.